정만두 만두 만두 꿀잼 영상 만두 구독해요 좋아요 눌러. Today I'm going to make sweet potato cheesecake. First, preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Add 300 grams of room temperature cream cheese in the bowl. Mix it until the cream cheese becomes creamy. Then add 70 grams of sugar. Beat 2 room temperature eggs with batter one at a time. And then add 130 grams of heavy cream. Stick the whisk on the bottom of the bowl and whisk the batter. Now sift 10 grams of cake flour. And add 200 grams of mashed sweet potato. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Bake for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Here we go. Here's our homemade sweet potato cheesecake. It really tastes like a classic New York style cheesecake with sweet potato. See you next time.